try and follow a beat. Try and write some hot shit, trying to follow my dreams. Don't know what's going on, shit is swallowing me. Now I'm swallowing these pills and keep on falling asleep. Can't remember most things, shit's foggy to me. Don't know how to talk to anyone that's bothering me. Even tried to talk to God one time and got on my knees, but the devil answered first, so now I'm crossing the street. Is it all of this weed? I need a reason to blame. Why it's taking me so long to get my feet in the game. Got me lost in my thoughts, like this dream is a maze. Keep on hitting dead ends, keep on hitting the haze. Keep on writing these words, keep on ripping the page. Keep on fighting with myself, can't even look in my face. Keep on asking the same questions, I'm still needing explain. What's life?
Life. I've seen my fair share of devils and angels. Snakes in these bitches, these faces I'm tripping. I know something is missing, I know. Missing, and where did it go? Where did it go?
Been in my head for weeks. Now I speak to myself. Do I need to see a doctor? Am I needing some help? Will they tell me that I'm crazy and keep me in a cell? And tell my mama he's okay with treating him well, rather be 6 feet in the ground. Rather be a puzzle piece that wasn't easily found. But you can find me in a storage room, I sleep on the couch. My homies told me, homie, sorry, but you're leaving the house. Had to move back home, it's what it's recently about. Had to break up with my girl, she don't believe in my route. But how could she? I don't really either, and people can tell. I don't really need another reason to beat up myself, but I do it till I'm ruined. Till I don't understand that I'm stupid, taking all the drugs. I think I fucking lost it with the music.
I've seen my fair share of devils and angels. Snakes in these bitches, these faces I'm tripping. I know. Something is missing, I know. Missing, and where did it go? Where did it go?
I don't really have any friends. My ex really didn't understand. Every day I wake up like damn, another day I have to pretend with fake smiles and extending my hand. Please pass a pen and a pad, I can vent into that. Pursue that happiness, but the ending is that I'll leave half a note here and the rest in a rap.